So hi guys, first thing first, I created a GitHub repo for this project. I named the GitHub repo as Unvalentine test project. I don't know why I chose this name, but yeah. After that, I started creating the project using Next.js. So I guess I'm using Next.js 15 along with React 19 for this project. Yeah, and my go-to settings are TypeScript, Tailwind CSS for styling, and also I added ShadCN for the components and styling because I think ShadCN is really cool, and we get a lot of like built-in components for that. We can use it with Tailwind CSS. Yeah, and also I created the root layout.tsx along with page.tsx and never let me show you. Also I added some meta text for the SEO. I don't know, I don't want SEO, I guess, but yeah, since we are using Nextjs, I thought of like adding the meta text for better SEO. Maybe it will go viral or something like that. I don't know. Let's just have a look at what stage we are currently at our project and how it looks on the web as of now. So yeah, this is the main I guess first draft of our project. At the top you can see we have a nice simple nav bar. On the extreme left we have the product name Unvalentine, and on the right we will have a create button, notes to see all the notes out there, and a sound button just to toggle between sound. We will add this at the very end. I guess it's not that important, but yeah, we will see where it goes. And on the extreme right we have an user button along with the label as anonymous, so that user can know that they are being anonymous and they can just post it anonymously whatever they want, and we are not going to you know track any users. Yeah, and the main root page.tsx has this kind of text. Maybe I will change this later, I don't know. Express your heart, share your thoughts anonymously this Valentine, join our community of singles expressing themselves through digital sticky notes. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we will stick with this or we can just change it later. So here's the update. We have been working on integrating Supabase with our project as of now. We created an account on Supabase, and here we have the table and all. Also, also the SQL setup to create all the tables and indexing and all. Everything is in this folder over here. Inside Supabase we will have sql-setup.sql. So we could have created some kind of like migration files to keep track of that, but I thought that since it was a pretty small project, so there was no need to do that. You can simply like copy all these SQL commands and go over here in Supabase. In the SQL editor you can just paste it down and you can just run it, and all the tables will be created. So you can see this kind of table will be created, and here we have ID, it's an UUID, and then we have the context will be of type text, and then created and then IP address and device ID. Also we have created all the routes. As of now we only have two routes. You might be thinking how we are getting the IPs and all, such that other people can't breach our security and like bombard us with a lot of uh, post messages. So let me just explain real quick how we are doing that. We are not getting the IP from the the client side. We are not sending the whole JSON object along with the content and everything. We are getting the IP from the request header. As we are sending the post request to create the nodes, we are getting the IP address from the header. Then on the server side we are doing one rate limit checking. We are checking if with that particular IP the user already have created 5 nodes within some amount of time, let's say 1 hour. Within 1 hour if they have created 5 posts, then we will just give them an error saying that limit exceeded or too many requests, something like that, with proper status code. So they won't be able to spoof or like send you the IP from the client itself. That's my whole idea of getting the IP securely, so that since we don't have an authentication system because of the whole anonymous stuff, so we are relying heavily on the IP addresses to rate limit them if someone tries to bombard us with a lot of post messages. currently we have two APIs as of now, and I think two APIs are enough for this small project. The first one is to create the nodes, of course, and the second one is to get all the nodes. That is our initial plan to go with the IPs. Let's see where it goes. We also have deployed our project on Vercel, and you don't have to do much of the stuff. Most of the stuff is done by Vercel itself. So you just have to link your GitHub project to Vercel. Let me just show you real quick. So you just have to link your so CI/CD will be integrated automatically, so you don't need to do anything. And we have tested our rate limit over here. As you can see, the first test, then second test, then third test, then fourth test, then five tests. After five tests, if the user tries to post again, then we will give them some kind of error like this: rate limit exceeded, please try again later. So yeah, till now we have created all this stuff. Let's see where it goes. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time, and happy coding. Bye.